Welcome to the Coravin Wine Preservation System Needle Guide. The needle is comprised of the grip, shaft, and eye. The needle clearing tool is included with your Coravin. Types of needles. Coravin offers an assortment of needles to best suit your needs. Each needle can be easily identified by the colored ring at the bottom of the grip. Clearing the needle. Hold your Coravin Wine Preservation System and quickly press the trigger. If you don't hear a hiss, your needle may be clogged. To check, unscrew the needle grip at the top of the needle to release it from your Coravin. The needle will drop down. Quickly press the trigger again. If you hear a hiss, your needle is clogged. To remove the needle, tilt the needle slightly and carefully from your Coravin Wine Preservation System. The needle is sharp. Please use caution when handling. Use the needle clearing tool to clear cork particles from the needle of your Coravin system. First, thread the needle clearing tool through the eye of the needle. Then insert the tool into the top of the needle by the needle grip and slide down to push any particles towards the eye of the needle. Finally, thread the tool through the eye of the needle again to remove any remaining particles that may have been pushed down. Repeat these steps until the eye of the needle is clear. Hold the needle by the grip and slide the pointed end back through the needle guide, tilting it slightly. Screw the needle grip back into the system, ensuring it's secure. When to replace the needle. Each Coravin needle can be inserted into corks approximately 300 times. If the needle starts offering resistance or is worn, it's time to change your needle. Tips to optimize your needle use. To insert the needle, always press the handle down fully with the palm of your hand in one swift motion. To remove, always firmly pull the handle straight up until it's fully extended. It may be easier to remove the needle by pulling across the body as shown. Align your forearm with the bottle and pull. Squeeze the clamps and remove the unit from the bottle. It's not unusual for the needle to leave behind a drop of wine on the top of the cork or foil. Just wait a few seconds while the cork fully reseals and then wipe it off. Coravin. Savor the glass. Preserve the bottle.